Namaste. Welcome to our channel MBDH Wellness. We hope you are doing well and are in good shape and health. Today we are here with another video and are going to talk about 10 home remedies to keep dark circles at bay. The problem of dark circles isn't alien to both men and women, and when they occur, we feel dreadful and awful. Don't worry, you are not the only one who is faced with this problem. Some of the most stunning celebrities the world over have encountered this problem at some point in time and have had to resort to makeup and concealers to hide these dark circles. Since the skin around the eyes is sensitive, it's best to resort to natural remedies rather than chemical based products to treat these problems. So, here's a bucket list of simple and easy doable home remedies that can help breathe a new lease of life around the eyes. First, cold tea bags. One of the most effective and highly easy ways to combat these dark circles is to use cold tea bags. Preferably use green tea bags for quick results. It is thought that the residual caffeine helps to constrict blood vessels, which reduces blood flow, helping to provide some relief from dark circles. Second, grated potatoes or grated cucumber. This is by far one of the most effective remedies. They also aid in reducing the puffiness around the eye area. Vitamins, antioxidants, and anti-inflammatory nature of these cooling veggies help to reduce inflammation around the eyes, which also helps to stave off darkening. Third, cold milk. Cold milk is a natural cleanser for the eyes and also helps in soothing the sensitive skin around the eyes. Cold milk contains lactic acid, which not only helps to reduce puffiness but also lightens the skin. Additionally, potassium in milk allows the skin to stay better moisturized, leaving you with softer and supple skin. Fourth, elevating the head. The way we sleep also affects the surrounding areas of our eyes. A few pillows under the head can make it raised and prevent fluid from pooling under the eyes, making them look puffy and swollen. Fifth, aloe vera. Aloe vera is an effective moisturizer. Moisturized skin is very less likely to sag and will stay healthy longer. Additionally, aloe vera also helps to nourish the skin, preventing premature aging. Sixth, almond oil and lemon juice. Another tried and tested remedy to treat dark circles is to mix almond oil and lemon juice. Lemon juice active component is ascorbic acid along with other nutrients. It helps to reduce water retention, which can cause puffy circles around the eyes. It also has a mild bleaching action. However, when used undiluted, it can have the opposite effect and cause damage to the skin, so always use caution. Seventh, rose water. This one can surely be termed as grandmom's secret remedy. Rose water is refreshing, regenerating, and can practically be used on almost all skin types and for all skin related issues. It's also a mild astringent and can be used as an effective skin toner too. 8th, tomatoes. Tomatoes are natural bleaching agents. They also contain antioxidants that can help to tame down the discoloration around the eye area. 9th, yoga and meditation. One of the underlying reasons for dark circles is stress, depression, and an erratic lifestyle. Thus, one of the most prudent ways to deal with dark circles is to stay calm and composed. But as stress is an integral part of our life, this is not always possible. Hence, it is beneficial to make yoga and meditation an everyday ritual. Yoga not only calms down the mind but also helps to regulate the body clock, and most importantly, it addresses most body problems from the core. 10th, regular sleep. Arguably, one of the most important factors to consider when you are trying to get rid of dark circles is getting enough sleep on a regular basis. Regular sleep ensures that your body and thus your skin has enough time to rest, repair, and regenerate. This improves the youthfulness of your skin as well as your overall health. One of the first things that reveal our internal health condition is poor skin condition. Proper sleep on a regular basis can be your biggest weapon against preventing and reducing dark circles in the long term. We hope you found this video helpful and are going to recommend it to your friends and family. Do let us know if you know more about such remedies. Comment about more tips or such remedies in the comment section. Do like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you. Namaste.